This is a Tower Brand electric kettle. They're quite popular. I quite like them because when you press the button, it lights up blue. It's very nice. I've had a couple of these, and I can probably hear it's working alright. The lights are coming on and the LEDs are coming on anyway. But there is a little problem with them. They suddenly stop working after maybe a year or maybe 2 years. You switch them on, nothing happens. That is often not the element burnt out. What you're going to do is take the bottom off with 4 screws and bend that little contact back up a bit with a pair of long nose pliers or something like that, which I'll show you in a minute. Notice I've taken the plug out, and be sure you take the plug out before you start messing about with the base. Don't want anybody electrocuted. Right, these are little contacts in here. Can't get them from the top, but you can get them from the bottom. 2 little screws here, 2 little screws there. Undo those, the base comes off. A flat-headed screwdriver, a little bit awkward because it's 3-sided, but you can undo them. Okay, take the bottom off like that. You'll see, I hope you can see, there's contacts there, and the two, this contact here, that you can see I bent that up. It done the same.